Mozzarella Cheeseburgers. I love a good hamburger, but I like it a little bit on the Italian style. And that's what I'll do today. Let's start with the bun. I make it Italian by using a nice crispy focaccia. This is perfect. And right in here, I put the tomatoes. And I'm gonna kind of cook them a little bit, almost like ketchup, just a little bit. A little salt just to bring out that flavor. Now we make the burgers themselves. I have here some oregano. I like these kind of little bouquets of oregano, wild oregano that's dried. And you take it, you just kind of squeeze it a little bit. This is enough, just like that. And into the mixture it goes. Some fresh onion. The onion brings a lot of flavor to a burger. And in this case, I shred it and I mix it in the meat, so it's almost disappears, but the flavor lingers. Salt, right in here. Some fresh pepper. Grinding fresh pepper is always a good idea. Okay, here we go. And my burgers are mixed. Okay, equal size. The tomatoes, I think, are done. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So, a little bit of oil, just like that, so that the hamburgers don't stick. Good sound. I like to hear that sound. That means temperature is on. But you see, I go like this. The back of my hand, I guess I have a thermometer here. I sense at which temperature the pan or the oil is at. And we're going to use a low moisture mozzarella. When the hamburgers are halfway done, we'll flip them and we can add the cheese on it. You know, being Italian, you gotta have a little green, a little insalata, especially next to your burger. So let me take 2 of these little peperoncino. And these are the Tuscan peperoncino. You just cut the stem off and remove the seeds. And then you cut it in little strips. And I'm looking forward to this little crunch here. That in there. Let's see where the hamburgers are going. Let me just flip it. The temperature is pretty high. I'm gonna lower it now a little bit. And I have these beautiful little cucumbers growing right out of the pot, and I just couldn't resist. Just gonna slice it just like that. Oh, the smell that's coming out. It is delicious. You know, that's one thing I can't give you through television, is the aromas. That tells you one thing, you have to do it yourself. You have to get these things and get cooking. Okay, let's put this all right in here. It's time to put the mozzarella on. Do not overpile it, because then it's going to take longer to kind of melt. And if you're concerned about melting, shredding the mozzarella really helps that. I am going to cover this, maybe a little salt, because the pickles, do I like it a little spicy? Of course I do. A little peperoncino, just like that. Now, there is a little bit of the brine right here, just like that. Let's do a little bit, just a little bit of the oil, not too much. And let's toss this. You don't want to make it too wet, because you don't want to wet the bun. So, Let's get ready for hamburger all'italiana. Here we have a message from Holly. And she asks, what is another interest of yours outside of cooking? Oh my goodness. Okay, good question. Listening to classical music, operas, symphonies. I love sailing. On cold nights, I like to play chess. My grandkids always now keep on challenging me. And they can't take it yet that grandma can win them at the chess game. Gardening is also a big one of mine when the weather and the seasons are right. So these are some of the things that keep me busy when I'm out of the kitchen. Keep on sending me questions, and we will meet again right here in my library. Ciao. All right, look how good these look. Okay, so there is one. There is two. There is three. And there is, oh, that cheese. Lydia's had the best one. Tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of this insalata, whatever you want to call it, all'italiana. Cucumber here. Just like that. So let's cover them. This is a little bigger one. Gonna press it just a little bit. Okay, so I am ready to serve these. And Lydia's. Wow, I gotta be steady. Steady, steady, steady. Okay, and okay. I think I have a good use for my kitchen towel. Get ready for these hamburgers all'italiana. I can't talk to you and eat that, so I'm gonna cheer to you. A little sip of beer. I'm gonna invite you, tutti a tavola a mangiare, and I am gonna get to this table and continue to eat. It's great to follow your nose to those cravings, or in the pizza place, or in the pastry shop. But you can satisfy your cravings sometimes. Say, okay, I'm gonna try to make it, and I'm gonna try to make it as close as I can to what my craving is telling me. And it's fun. It's a way of sort of working your memories and your food memories, taste memories that you have in a reality. And you'll be surprised how close you will come. Having said that, is anybody craving a little song from Grandma? I'm always ready for it.
Alla salute dei nostri padri, facciamo brindisi,
Facciamo brindisi alla salute dei nostri padri. Facciamo brindisi, facciamo brindisi.
E noi che figli siamo, beviamo, beviamo, beviamo. E noi che figli siamo, beviamo, beviamo, beviamo.
Okay, that was a good one.